Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing video. First one of the new year. Happy New Year to everyone watching. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 50, 75, 6, 7. $277 to stuff. All of this was my Christmas money. Before Christmas, we had a tornado as well, and it completely destroyed over 100 businesses and 500 homes. And then after Christmas on New Year's, we had another tornado come through, and now we have snow falling outside right now. So it's been crazy weather-wise here. But yeah, so let's get into the video. I am completely starting fresh for the new year. All my envelopes have nothing in them. I took all the money out from last year and put it in the bank. And this is actually new, this wallet. It's a Filofax wallet. This is new, and these envelopes I have inside are new as well. I got these from Jasmine at Oh My Fro Budgets, and I love this elephant one, so cute. But they have animals on them, and I'm a huge animal lover, and they're sturdy and perfect for cash budgeting in the cash budgeting system. But Beauty is going to be the one we're stuffing first, and I chose to put Beauty on the dog envelope. So we are going to budget $100 in the Beauty envelope. My boyfriend actually gave this to me for Christmas to buy perfume with, and I just haven't done it yet. So it's there for when I actually can go shopping. I don't even know if our mall is open right this second. So yeah, I might have to buy that online. But our next binder has our newest envelopes in it, newest categories anyway. I decided to separate my emergency fund from savings. So now I have a savings fund in addition to my emergency fund. For savings, we're going to put $50 of our Christmas money. My goal is to save 20% of everything I earn each paycheck. So hopefully this envelope will be large by the time this year's over. And my boyfriend actually had me buy something for him, and he paid me back. So that's $22 for the city envelope for my credit card. And then that's gonna be all for this binder. This binder is new as well. It's not as pretty. I haven't had the chance to decorate it yet, but this is my student loan binder. And the reason I created this is because one of my biggest goals of 2022 is to pay down student loan debt. I was able to pay off $4,500 last year in student loan debt, and I was shocked and proud of myself at the same time. So I am excited to see what I can do this year. All of this was capable and able because of the cash budgeting system. I started taking control of my finances, and I was able to pay down student loans and other debt faster than I ever thought possible. So I have, all my student loans have an envelope, and I have arranged them from least amount to the most amount. Hopefully I can pay these down and get rid of these envelopes one by one and get these out of my hair faster than originally planned. So $60 goes here, 20, 40, 60. And we're gonna put it in the first envelope. And yeah, my goal is to at least double what I did last year in student loan repayment. So hopefully that will work. And then my last binder is going to be for dental. I have to have a procedure done some point during this year, and it's very expensive. I'm not looking forward to it, of course. I don't know anybody who looks forward to the dentist, but yeah, I have to have dental surgery done, and it's gonna be about $3,000. So I need to save for this as well. So $20 in my dental envelope, and then my vision. I really need glasses. I haven't been to the eye doctor in a little while, and my prescription is outdated, so I need to go get a new pair of glasses. So $25 is going in our vision envelope. That is all for our first cash stuffing of the new year. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your New Year's goals are for your finances. Are you like me and you want to pay off your student loans? Or are you saving for a big purchase like a house or a car? What are you saving for? What are you paying off? Let me know in the comments below. Take care. Have a great day. Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video.